Dealing with post-Windows 11 update issues? I'll share solutions to fix errors and get your computer back on track. Stay tuned for a quick guide to troubleshooting and resolution. Press the Windows key, +I then select Windows Update from the left-hand navigation bar, followed by Update History. Scroll down until you meet the Uninstall Updates button and click on it. Click on the first update from the Microsoft Windows list, and then hit Uninstall. Press the Windows key +I to open the Settings app, then navigate to Windows Update, as we have shown below. Now click on the down arrow next to Pause Updates and select a desired period during which your OS won't update itself. Tap on the Windows key, and I simultaneously then navigate tot system, followed by Troubleshoot as we have shown below. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Now click on Run Next to Windows Update. Let the troubleshooting process to complete, then follow the on-screen steps. That's it. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.